Hello everyone, I Archana of second year BPA from Seshadripuram Degree College will explain a topic from subject quantitative techniques, and the topic is Cramer's rule. So we will solve the equation by using Cramer's rule. Okay, so 2x plus y plus 2z is equal to 10, 2z plus x minus y is equal to 5, x plus z plus y is equal to 6. First we will put the all equation in xyz form. So now we can see that the second equation now is not in the xyz form, so we will write it in the xyz form here. After that, what we have to do, all the variables we will write in one determinant. So all variables means 2 1 2, from the second equation 1 minus 1 and 2, then from third equation 1 1 and 1. So after that we will write all equation, all variable in one determinant. Another xyz constant will write in one determinant, and then on left right hand side we'll write 10 5 and 6 in one determinant. Now first we have to find out the delta here. To find out the delta, we will write the variables in one determinant, and what we will do, on the first row we'll change the sign first, plus minus and plus. Okay, after that what we have to do, in the first row first digit, that is 2, that one we will write outside of the first determinant, and we will eliminate first row and the first column, and we will write minus 1 2 1 and 1 here we got. So that one we will write minus 1 2 1 and 1 in first determinant. After that, in the first row second digit, that is a minus 1, and after that we will eliminate first row and the second column. After eliminating, we will get the 1 2 1 and 1. So after that, two digits we will write in the second determinant. Same for the third one also, we will write the plus 2 here, and after that we will eliminate first row and the third column, and we will write 1 minus 1 1 and 1 in the third determinant. After that, what we have to do, we have to do the cross multiplication. So 2 in bracket minus 1 into 1 minus 1 into 2, close bracket, then minus 1, then we have to do minus 1 into 1 minus 1 into 2, close bracket, plus 2 open bracket, 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1, okay, and close the bracket. In the next step, what just we have to solve how we will do the normal mathematics. So now 2 in bracket minus 1 into 1 1 only, plus minus minus sign. After that 2 into 1 2 and minus sign will come. Then minus 1 1 into 1 1, 1 into 2 2, minus sign only, plus 2, then 1 into 1 1 only, then 1 into 1 1, and minus minus plus. So now after that, in the third step, 2 plus minus minus plus, so 2 plus 1 3, greater one digit is 2, so minus sign will come. Then minus 1, and 2 minus 1 1 will come, greater one is 2, so minus 1. Then 2 1 1, 1 plus 1 2. After that, when we will solve it, we will get the minus 1. So delta is minus 1 here. In next, we have to find out the delta x. To find out the delta x, from right hand side 10 5 6 was there, so that right hand side all digits we will eliminate with the first column. Okay, after eliminating first column, we will write 10 5 6 here, and as it is how we have written for delta 1 2, then 5 5 minus 1 2 6 1 1, same like that only we will write, and we will solve with the same way how we have done for the delta. Then we will change the sign of first row, that is plus minus and plus. Then we will write the first digit of the first row, that is a 10, and we will eliminate first row and first column. After eliminating, we will get minus 1 2 1 and 1. In the second determinant, first we will write the second digit of first row, and after that is minus 1, and in second determinant we will eliminate the first row and the second column, and we will get the 5 2 6 and 1, and we will write it. In the third determinant, outside we will write the plus 2, and we will eliminate the first row and third column, and we will write 5 minus 1 6 and 1 in the third determinant. Next what we have to do, we will do the cross multiplication. 10 minus 1 into 1 and minus 1 into 2, bracket close, minus 1, 5 into 1 minus 6 into 2 plus 2, 5 into 1 minus 6 into minus 1. Now just we have to be careful with the signs only. So now 10 1 into 1 1 and plus minus minus sign will come. Then 1 into 2 2 and the minus sign, minus 1, 5 into 1 5, 6 into 2 12 and minus sign, plus 2 in bracket, 5 into 1 5 and 6 into 1 6, and here we can see the sign is minus 1 minus 6 and minus 1, so minus minus it will get the plus. Okay, now in next step 2 minus minus plus, so 2 plus 1 3, greater digit sign will come, so minus sign, minus 1, 5 minus 12. So now 5 minus 12 means we will get the 7 and greater digit is 12, so minus sign. Then 2 and in bracket 5 plus 6 means 11 we will get. So now in the next 10 into 3 we will get minus 30. Then 7 into 1 will get 7, minus minus it will get plus. Then 2 into 11 22. When we will solve all this we will get the minus 1. So x is minus 1 here. So now next for delta y, same how we have solved for the x, like that only we have to solve for delta y. Just one thing is different, that in delta x we have removed the first column, we have replaced first column, but now here we are replacing the second column with the right hand side all digits. Okay, so we'll get 2 10 2 1 5 2 1 6 1, and we will change the sign of first row, that is plus minus and plus 2, so we'll get plus 2 minus 10 and plus 2 here. Now so what we have to do, for first row first digit we will write 2, and in first determinant we will eliminate the first row and the first column, and we'll get 5 2 6 1 we will write in the first determinant. After that in my in the first row second digit is minus 10, and in first in the determinant we will remove the will eliminate first row with the second column. Okay, we'll get 1 2 1 and 1, so we will write in the second determinant, and then plus 2, and we will eliminate first row and the third column, and we'll get 1 5 1 and 6. So we will write in the third determinant. Same like that how we have done, we will do the cross multiplication. 2 5 into 1 1 minus 6 into 2 we will write. Then in for second minus 10, 1 into 1 1, then minus 1 into 2. For the third one plus 2, 1 into 6 minus 1 into 5. Next 5 2 as it is we will write in bracket, 5 into 1 5, 6 into 2 12, minus 10, 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 2 2, plus 2, 1 into 6 6, and 5 1 into 5 5, and minus sign in middle. Next we will just minus with everything. So 2 5 minus 12 7, greater one is 12, so minus sign. Minus 10 1 into 1 minus 2 1, and greater is 2, so minus sign. Then 2 6 minus 5 will get 1, and greater one is 6, that is a plus, so we will write it as a plus only. Next 7 into 2 14, then 10 into 1 10, minus minus it will become plus, plus 2 is equal to minus 2. So now we got delta y is minus 2 here. Next delta z, for delta z we will eliminate the third column. We'll get 2 1 10 1 minus 1 5 1 1 6. We'll change the sign, plus minus and plus. Now first we will take the first digit of the first row, and we will eliminate first row and the first column, and after that we will get minus 1 5 1 and 6. In the second determinant we will write minus 1 outside, and we will eliminate first row and the second column. We will get 1 5 1 and 6, and later plus 10 we will write, and in that we will eliminate first row and third column, and we'll get 1 minus 1 1 and 1. Now after that we have to do the cross multiplication, how we have done for the x and y. So now 2 minus 1 into 6 minus 1 into 5 here. Then minus 1 in bracket 1 into 6 here minus 1 into 5 here. Then in bracket bracket close plus 10 in bracket 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1. We just be very careful with the sign here. So now 2 minus 6 into 1 6 and plus minus minus sign, minus 5 1 into 5 5 only, minus 1 1 into 6 6 minus 1 into 5 5 plus 10 1 into 1 1, then 1 into 1 1, but minus minus it will become plus here. Next after that minus 6 and minus 5, so 6 minus minus it will become plus, so 6 plus 5 it's 11, but greater one is minus 6, so we'll put the minus sign here. Then minus 1 6 minus 5 that is 1, and 6 is greater 1 and that is in plus, so we'll put the positive sign only. Then plus 10 1 plus 1 2. After that 2 into 11, that minus 22, 1 into 1 minus 1, and plus 10 into 2 20. So delta z is minus 3 here. After that x, now what we have to find out x, y and z here, no. So we will, for finding out the x, we will divide delta x by delta. Delta x is a minus 1, delta is minus 1. So when we will divide this, we will get the 1 here. So x is equal to 1. Then for finding out the y, delta y divided by delta. Delta y is minus 2 divided by delta is minus 1. When we will solve, we will get 2 here. And z, for that delta z divided by delta minus 3 divided by minus 1, we will get the 3. So here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3.